Okay guys, welcome to this part of the video where I'm going to be showing you how you can now run ads from Facebook to a website in case if you'll be using one, then to WhatsApp. You can also still use how will I put it now? You can run ads from Facebook directly for to a line to through Facebook, as in from Facebook to a landing page and to IG. No, so it must either be from Facebook, it must either be from Facebook or IG to a landing page to WhatsApp. Same also too, you can be from Facebook to WhatsApp, or from Facebook to IG DM, also from IG DM, from Facebook to from IG DM directly to WhatsApp or IG. So it's either way, it works both ways. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can run ads that moves from Facebook or IG to a website, then to your WhatsApp DM. So let's just get straight into it. So now I'm in my ads manager and I've showed you how to get to this place. Just anywhere you are, just click on this icon here and locate the campaign, or just locate the ads manager, then you come to this dashboard. So you just click on create. I'll try and view a bit fast because there are just little differences. Then now if you want to run a class as you have a free class or a low ticket offer, 1k, like you want to 1k class you want to run, you can choose the lead campaign. They are all the same thing, the only difference is just this selection. But if you have like a sale, something you want to sell, a bag, clothes, shoes, anything that you want to sell, go with sales. So the other time I used the sales campaign, so I'm just going to use the leads campaign. They are the same thing, nothing different. Just ensure you make choose any of these campaign objectives. You are making this selection so that you can tell Facebook, this is what I want to make sales, or I want to get leads, or I want to get engagement to my post, or I want to promote my app, or I want my page to have an awareness, I want to drive traffic to my website. So either way, so that's why it's called choosing a campaign objective. So our objective now is to like get leads for our free class or our training or the rest. So click on continue. Let's do the manual leads campaign setup. So let's just name it. How can we go to name it now? Let's just name it new test campaign. So we are not making any changes here. Everything here off. Then click on next. So now we are going to make use of websites. This is it. We have chosen websites here. I'll choose websites. So we're down here, maximum number of conversion, yes. Then to run an ad, you need a pixel. You need a pixel. So I'll drop a video in the bonus section on how to do that. So I've created one already on this site. I'm not going to go ahead and choose this pixel. You need to install a pixel on the site, but I'm going to drop a video on how to do that. So after choosing your pixel, you're going to choose what do you want? Leads. You're going to choose leads at your leads as a conversion event. Leads, or if you want sales, if you are going for sales, you're going to look for the purchase event, then select it. But in this case, it's not active. So I'm going to use the purchase event, select it. But in this case, it's not active because we didn't connect it to that pixel. So we're going to make use of leads. Since we're trying to run ads to get leads for a class. So that's what are we doing next? Now you come to your audience. Okay, you set your budget. The lowest you can run currently on Facebook is 1.6 per day. So ensure let's make it 1.6. Let's just start with that 1.6. and ensure this is starting by 12 a.m. Then always switch back to original audience option. Yes, that is less complicated for you and can also get you best results. So since you have created your audience before now, you don't need to go through the stress of doing that again. You just come here and choose one of the audience you've created. Then let's name this ad set. So with that, I think there's nothing else. Leave this in Advantage Plus placement. Advise that click on next. So this will be, let's name this image 1 or ad 1. Let's name it image 1 for easy identification, or you can name it whatever thing you want to name that you feel is best, or flyer 1. So page is connected, Instagram account is connected. If yours is not connected, just click on this. You're going to see an option to add. You're going to add your Instagram account to it automatically. You can't even move further if a page is not connected to your other account. So automatically your page that you want to be connected to it. Then single image of video. If you want to use a carousel, you can choose this. But we're going to be using just single image of video for this setup. Then let's choose a particular image you can use. Let's go with this. Remember, if you don't have the image here, you just click on upload, then you'll go and upload the image you want to use. So click on next. Okay, the image is cool. Remember, the image size is 1080. Okay, this one 1024 by 1024 is also okay, but I recommend 1080 by 1080. So click on next. They are all optimized properly. Click on next. No, this is not good. This is good, but this is not good. Original is better. This is better. Let's see. Original is better. So ensure they are all optimized. You can click on option optimize. You can click on next. So you click on done. So now you're in this primary text. My primary text is the hard copy you've written before now. So I'm going to go back and copy from any copy I have in my Google Doc. So this is where you're going to put your own hard copy. So I'm going to go and get the hard copy and just paste it on it now. As you can see now, I just pasted a copy on it. So this is headline. This is just like an headline, a catchy word that is going to also be like a clickbait. So you just type in something that's in line with what you are trying to advertise. Don't just type in anything. Claim your free seat now. Let's use that. So call to action button, learn more, sign up now, whichever other ones you feel goes well with what you are trying to do, you choose it, but I'm going to go with the learn more. So now this is where you are going to impute your, what is it called? This is where you are going to impute your your website link. So let me make use of one. So just if you not sure this URL is correct. Not sure it's correct. So let me see, I think okay. So to be sure that this what you have .com .ng. To be sure what you have done is correct, you can just click on preview. So it should take you to the site. Wow, okay, this is the site. So the URL is correct. The URL is correct. So it should take you to this site. Then with that, you are done. No. None. Ensure it's in none. Ensure this is in none. Ensure this is in none. Show that things also. Okay, this is the picture is already stated in the account, so you can see here website events database is showing here, sticking green. So this you are good to go. So like I said before, I believe in testing, so we are going to duplicate this ad into 2 more places, then test other images and videos so we can know the ones that our audience resonates with more, so we can get the best result from our ads. So we'll leave everything, we'll leave the copy, leave every other thing. We are just going to change the image. I'm going to change the image to something else, because one of the most important thing in your ad is the creative you are going to use, either the image or the video. And let's go with 1 image, 2 videos. Boom. Next. Done. Let's change this to video 1 for easily identification. Repeat same thing here. Remember, you are choosing the video you've already created that is in line with what you are selling, not just any video in line with what you are selling, what you are trying to promote. That's what you should come and put here. Don't come and put something that is going to be speaking off point of what you are trying to promote. Let's name this video 2. So now we are testing 3 different images against this audience to see the one that gets all the best results. So now we are going to test this against 3 more audience so that we can get way better results. Imagine, like I said in the former video, imagine getting 10 sales or 100 leads from this audience, and you're now duplicated it into 4 places and you're getting 10 from each. That is about 40 sales to 100 to 400 leads per day. That's how you can scale up and sell massive amounts of your products every single day. But one thing you put in mind that it's going to cost you. So if you are spending 1,006 on this, you duplicate into 4, that you are going to spend close to 1,006 times 4, that will be 6,000. I think 6,004, 6,005 per day. So that should also be in your mind. don't just come and duplicate because I say you should duplicate based on your budget, but that is something you can also still do. You can duplicate into 2, can duplicate into 3, can duplicate into 4, into 5, depending on how much you are willing to spend per day. But one thing you should not be scared of when you are duplicating. Facebook is going to share the 1,000 seats for this ad setting within these 3 different creatives. It's not going to spend 1 seat for each. It's going to share the money within this. The money for this that is set on this ad set is going to share it within this. So this is one of those ads we duplicated, and ensure the every other things are set up, the date and the time they are in line. Then just change only the audience. Let's change it to something else I believe is in line and we can test. So let's do the same for this. Now I are just changing the audience, nothing else. I are just changing the audience to fit in, so you can know. And in case any audience that is not doing well, just turn it off. Go to your audience section and create another audience again, then test. You should get at least 4 audience that are performing well before you can rest. Now you are sure of getting massive results for your ads. So with this we are good to go. We have tested different creatives against every different audience. So anyone that is doing well, we leave it. We can put more money into it. Anyone that is not doing well, we turn it off. So it come to your campaign level and just click on publish. Then your ad will go live when in the particular set time. So guys, after you've done all this, just click on publish. The ad will go live. So the ad will start running at the set time you want it set it to run. So with that, you can just keep on keep on getting leads in your DM consistently, closing the sales. So that will be all for this video. In the next video, I'm also going to be sharing with you other important stuff that are going to help you get massive results for your business. So till then, stay blessed.